Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Make a full save and copy configs so you can roll back. Once done, check the exact game version and any active mods that change the Ganymede hat, because mismatched steps break things. Next, enable the developer console or your modding tools and verify you have admin or save file write access. Without that, you cannot remove the hat cleanly. Follow these checks and then proceed to targeted removal. You now locate the hat asset in your save or mod files by searching for the string Ganymede Hat or its asset ID. This ensures you target the right entry. Once found, use the console command to unequip or remove that node, or edit the save to delete only the hat reference. Avoid touching nearby character data. If a mod added the hat, first disable that mod and then clean leftover references from the save so the game no longer tries to load the item. Finish by loading the game and confirming the hat is gone and the character looks normal. Inspect inventory for orphaned items that may indicate an incomplete removal. If you see corruption, restore Bcup 1 and reapply edits more cautiously, changing one entry at a time. Should errors persist, run the game's repair tool or recreate the character using backed up stats to avoid repeating the issue. One troubleshooting tip: if crashes continue, revert and test removal in a duplicated save first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.